code requires that you fill all these holes between floors to prevent fire and smoke from like a chimney effect. So just kind of fill it with fire stop caulking. And that's that. Alright, code requires 1.25 inches of distance between the surface of the framing member and the conductor. So I set my square to 1.25 inches. That's touching. So that needs a nailing plate to prevent drywall screw from hitting it. That one's close, but I'll put a plate on it. Basically, these 4 studs.
But stick it in the top. Make sure we get it good and straight.
Ready?
Mm-hmm, right now.
Okay. There we go.
Yeah, let's go down there on that end.
Let me move this.
Primo.
Yeah.
Now, go ahead, slide this over out of the way for a minute. Oh yeah.
Bueno.
Yep.
Okidoki. There you go.
Yeah, you wait.
Go ahead and put it on the side. All right, plumber just left. Got the sewer line installed from the house to the septic, and had him do a couple other things while he was here. Just little punch list items. So one was we moved this toilet from there to there, just because it was a little bit too close to where the shower is going to be. And now it kind of is like directly across from where that sink will be. And then there's room there to put cabinets and whatnot. Here in the kitchen, also had the plumber add us a line for a pot filler. Since we do so much canning, that'll be handy above the range. And the last thing we had him do was add a couple hose bibs, one on this side of the house, one on the other side. And rough plumbing is done. All right, inspector just left. Passed the changes we made to the plumbing, passed the sewer line, passed electrical rough-in, so everything's good. Only other rough-in we have to finish is HVAC. We haven't even started that yet, so we have to get the ducts built and installed, and then have that inspection passed, and then all of our rough-in inspections are done. Framing's done. So we're going to start focusing on the porch outside, and then the probably insulation after that. So making progress. It's a little bit slow now that we're in the dog days of summer because it's so hot, but we're still making progress, and I'm happy with it. So we'll see you in the next video. Appreciate you all watching. See you next time.